Well guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi. Let's do some analysis in Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So last few days we have seen price running in a range. So this is the range, and when market are forming this type of pattern, it's a probability to run very fast in one direction. We never know in which direction. It may be upside or it may be downside, but it's a probability to run very fast in one direction. So let me show you somewhere here in this area. Have you seen the price was running in a range? There are no decision, no direction, but finally price goes up. All right, so somewhere here they form this type of pattern, and finally price drop drastically. So again here you can see they form this type of pattern and again run very drastically somewhere this area also. So finally price drop. So exactly price are forming that type pattern. So we expecting in this week price will run in any direction, but we never knows. Price may run upper side or it may run downside, because Fed government going to take a big decision. So every trader or investor are just watching their views. All right, so we are expecting that if price goes up, so definitely will catch the market before take the rally. All right, so that is the important level. Now we will discuss when or where our entry point. Okay, so let me show you some important level. And today here I can see price just open a little bit gap down and again goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, and right now price somewhere here. So we are expecting if price break this supporting line, so it's a probability to pull back near 200 moving average. So here I can see very interesting technical pattern they are forming. So price in a 5-minute chart, they are bouncing from 200 moving average, again pull back near 200 moving average, again bounce, again price pull back near 200 moving average, again bounce. So it's a probability to pull back near moving average 200, all are exponential moving average. All right, so if price open somewhere here or price pull back in this area, so we are looking for a bullish candle. Let me show you. Somewhere here I can see bullish candle are forming, bullish confirmation. So finally price goes up, again bullish confirmation are forming. Here I can see multiple bullish pin bar, again price goes up, and another this is bullish candle also, again somewhere here bullish candle confirm and goes up. So exactly after giving a pullback near this 200 moving average, which level is 17,600, and we are looking for bullish pin bar or bullish confirmation, that one white shoulder or engulfing pattern, so whatever. So if they form, so definitely we'll go for buy. Okay, so another important level, if price break the level tomorrow, I'm talking about tomorrow, 17,690, if price break this level, so we'll go for buy, or I can say call buy, because there are so it's based on implied volatility, or you can say indices, VIX volatility index. So how exactly I am trading when VIX VIX volatility index is above 20, so I'll go for put direction, which is called put sell after breaking this level. If volatility index below 20, I'll buy call option after breaking this level. So that is the rule. If volatility VIX is above 20, so if I go for buy, so it's a probability to drop the VIX. So if price VIX drop, my premium will not increase if I buy. So my when VIX is above 20, I'm just focusing on sell side, which is called put sell. So suppose I'm bullish in that case, or if price break this supporting line and I'm looking for short, and then my target will be target will be 17,600. Okay, so once they break, so next target will be somewhere there. So basically I'm focusing on a buy side. All right, so I just waiting for a pullback. Like once price pullback, so I'm looking for buy. One pullback, I'm looking for buy. So if price break 17,550, so my view will bearish. All right, so once break 17,500, so definitely I'll go for like put buy or call sell. It's a depend on VIX. Okay, so I hope that market will break this level, but I'm not a fortune teller. Like I can't forecast the market, so I'm expecting this is a probability, because if you see like a large time frame and daily time frame, clear uptrend trying to break this resistance level, and if you see H1 chart, it's a clear uptrend. Last 2 days price are running in a sideways, like 15 minute clear uptrend, and even if you see like a weekly time frame, trend is uptrend. So definitely I'm looking for buy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.